All right, everybody, so here's what we wanted to do today. We're going to take 223 and we're going to subtract 147 from 223. So we got 223 minus 147. Okay, and so what I've done here, we're going to use base 10 blocks to demonstrate how to do this. Okay, and what I have laid out here is 223 in base 10 blocks. All right, and I'm going to show you why that is first. So 223, what you can see right here, that means that we have two hundreds. So here's 100, here's two hundreds, all right, two hundreds, and then it says we have two tens, two groups of 10. One group of 10, two groups of 10. That's the 20, right? Two groups of 10. And then three individual units. And you can see that right here. 1, 2, 3, all right? 223. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to subtract 147. So to do that, we're going to start by subtracting our individual units here. Okay, we've got three individual units. All right, we want to subtract 7, but wait a second, you can't take 7 away from 3. All right, so what we got to do is we got to take one of these groups of 10 and we're going to give it to the individual units. We're going to have 10 individual units here. Okay, so we're going to break this up into 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we just took one of our groups of 10 and we made it 10 individual units right here. Okay, all right, so now we can take away 7 from our individual units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're just going to take those away. All right, there's what we're left with. So now let's move on to our tens. Now we got to make a correction here, okay? Because what we did is we got rid of one of these groups of 10. So now instead of two groups of 10, we have one group of 10, all right? And we gave it over to the individual units. We made it 10 individual units, all right? And 10 plus 3 is 13, okay? All right. Okay, so now we have one group of 10, and we want to subtract 4 groups of 10, but we can't subtract 4 from 1, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn one of these hundreds into 10 groups of 10. All right, so we're going to take this away, and we're going to put down 10 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's make that correction up in our numbers. So we took one of these hundreds away, right, and we added 10 groups of 10 over here, and we started with 1, so that makes 10 plus 1 is 11. We have 11 groups of 10 over here now. Okay, so now we're subtracting 4 groups of 10 away from 11 groups of 10. So we're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 away. All right, and there's what we're left with. Okay, and then we're going to move on to our hundreds. So it says we have 100 over here now because we turned the other 100 into 10 groups of 10. And we're going to subtract 100 away from that. So we're going to take 100 away. All right, and so what we're left with here is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 10. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the tens place right here. 7 groups of 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individual units. All right, and that number is 76. Now, we want to make sure that this is correct. Okay, so we're going to put the blocks that we took away back in, and then we're going to see if that equals 223. 223. If we put 147 back, we should get 223. So let's see. We're going to put 100. We're going to put 4 tens back in. 2, 3, 4. And we're going to put 7 individual units back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, if we have a group of 10 individual units, we need to turn that in to one solid group of 10 right here. We need to put it in the tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're going to trade that out for a 10. Okay, now let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! Let's turn that back into 100 because we got 10 groups of 10. I'm going to put 100 back in. All right, and then we got 200s. 200, 20, 3. 223. So our answer was correct. 223 minus 147 is 76.